Quail meat is a delicacy in many cuisines around the world. Whether roasted, grilled, or in a stew, quail meat is known for its tender texture and rich, gamey flavor. In this essay, I will explore the various ways that quail meat can be prepared and cooked, as well as how to calculate the calories in each dish. Roasted quail. Roasted quail is a classic dish that is often served as a special occasion meal. The quail is seasoned with herbs and spices, such as rosemary and thyme, before being roasted until the skin is crispy and the meat is tender. A typical serving of roasted quail contains around 150 to 200 calories. Grilled quail. Grilled quail is a popular dish in many Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisines. The quail is marinated in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and spices, before being grilled over an open flame until it is cooked through. A typical serving of grilled quail contains around 120 to 150 calories. Quail stew. Quail stew is a hearty and comforting dish that is often made with root vegetables and aromatic herbs, such as thyme and bay leaves. The quail meat adds a rich flavor and tender texture to the stew. A serving of quail stew contains around 200 to 250 calories. When calculating the calories in each dish, it is important to consider the cooking method, the portion size, and any additional ingredients that are used. For example, a serving of roasted quail that is paired with potatoes or gravy will have a higher calorie count than a simple serving of grilled quail. In addition to the various ways quail meat can be prepared, there are also many side dishes and accompaniments that pair well with quail. Here are some examples. Roasted vegetables. Roasted vegetables such as carrots, parsnips, and Brussels sprouts can complement the rich flavor of quail meat. Rice or couscous. Rice or couscous is often served as a side dish with quail, particularly in Mediterranean and North African cuisines. Rice or couscous. Rice or couscous is often served as a side dish with quail, particularly in Mediterranean and North African cuisines. Fruit sauce. A fruit sauce, such as cherry or plum sauce, can add a sweet and tangy flavor to the dish. Salad. A light salad can provide a refreshing contrast to the rich flavors of the quail meat. Red wine. A full-bodied red wine, such as a Cabernet Sauvignon or Syrah, can pair well with quail dishes. It is also important to note that quail meat is a good source of protein, iron, and vitamin B12. However, it is also high in fat and calories, so it is best to enjoy it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. By pairing quail meat with healthy sides and accompaniments, and by practicing portion control, one can enjoy this flavorful ingredient in a healthy and satisfying way. In conclusion, quail meat is a versatile and flavorful ingredient that can be prepared in a variety of ways. Whether roasted, grilled, or in a stew, quail meat adds a rich flavor and tender texture to any dish. By pairing quail meat with healthy sides and accompaniments, and by practicing portion control, one can enjoy this delicious ingredient in a healthy and satisfying way. By pairing quail meat with healthy sides and accompaniments, and by practicing portion control, one can enjoy this delicious ingredient